Hey there! Ever wondered how people score Lululemon at Goodwill for just a few bucks? Let me show you how to hunt like a pro. First, go often. Thrift store restock daily. The more you visit, the better your chances. Treat it like a treasure hunt. Head straight to the activewear section. Look for leggings, tanks, and jackets. Lululemon is usually mixed in with other brands. Feel the fabric. Lululemon prices are usually soft, stretchy, and high quality. If it feels buttery, like smooth and thick, pull it out and check the tag. Can find a logo? Check hidden spots, like the size dot inside waistband or a small reflective logo near the ankle for the hem. Know the logo. Lululemon's omega symbol is always reflective. It's peeling or off center. It might be a fake. Look at this. Finds retail over $100 each. Goodwill under $10. Final tips. Go early, be patient, and don't give up. The thrill is in the hunt, and your next Lululemon score could be waiting for you. Like and follow for more tip hacks.